I made it to India and I'm so excited to showcase CTC to you. Yes, this is a company that's been around for over 40 years, 50% OEM, 50% direct, micro precision tools, 20 microns to be exact, packed with Rollomatics. In fact, they've invested 49 machines in the last year. I'm standing in 52,000 square feet of facility expansion, and they continue to grow around the world, with their biggest markets being in the US, Germany, Japan, the Middle East, and Brazil. So without any further ado, let's go see Vishal and see more about this incredible location. Vishal, it's so good to see you. First of all, let me just say thank you for allowing us to come in and showcase this incredible facility. I heard a rumor of 49 machines over just the last few months. Is this rumor true?
This is absolutely true. You can see it for yourself.
Is the shiniest blue Rollomatics I think I've ever seen, and you're continuing to expand.
Yes, of course.
Oh, we gotta show the audience this. So let's take a slow walk around your factory and start with that you've been in business for over 40 years now. You're actually younger than me, and you've been doing this for over 40 years now. Incredible.
Well, my father has been doing that for 40 years. I've been doing it for 20. But I'm quite excited, and it's as the Indian market is just growing and it's booming, and it's just appropriate for us to expand with it.
Yeah, and I agree with that wholeheartedly. What I've seen in the growth of the Indian market as a whole, jumping from number 12 in the world to number 5, 6, 7 in the world. I mean, it's remarkable what you guys are doing, but there's definitely those ideas out there of quality versus growth. How can you grow so quickly and keep quality? But I'm looking around and all I see is quality here. And knowing what you make at CTC, quality is, that is the first thing you guys look at. So let's talk to the audience a little bit about who CTC is, what you make, and your investment in quality.
All right. So the very foundation on which this company was established back in 1983 by my father and my uncle was on quality. At that time, there was no company in India which was making PCB tools for the global market, and they brought it in years. And because there was no manpower trained in this, they set up a complete training process for our associates to learn the precision of tool making and the focus on quality, and that continues to date. And because of our background in PCB, now that India is booming with 3C, with semiconductor, with aerospace, we can bring that quality, that precision into all these tool making.
Yeah, it's very well said. And at your growth and at your rate, 40 plus years, you've already mentioned it, you at 20, your father before that, we're standing in 52,000 square feet with 49 machines that are brand new and 50 total, 140 if we include both buildings, right?
Right.
And the focus on precision, you guys are about 50% right now, if I'm not mistaken, 50% on the OEM world and 50% direct. What you would like to offer to the audience out there watching, you want to continue to broaden those relationships in both sides of the world, and some of your biggest places that you work in already, just for everyone watching, US, Germany, Japan, Middle East, Brazil. This is quality coming to you. There's private labels. You might be using these tools and not even know it, but that's kind of what you guys want to do, is expand to create awareness for what you're making.
Yeah, absolutely. Because, it's great to be able to provide quality tools to the market or to the worlds that we are not present in. And this partnerships with the OEM customers helps us build this synergy in the markets we are not there. And, and in the Indian market or the Asian market where we are present, it's good to learn from the market and grow, but in the other markets, OEM plays a big factor in us being present there. Yeah.
To my knowledge, as we continue to walk, and I think we have precision actually right beside us right now as you've invested and continued to invest, is as you continue to grow and as you continue to expand, to my knowledge, you're about 70% custom and 30% off the shelf. So anyone who's actually watching this right now goes, I have a custom issue, a 1 off, a 2 off, a 3 off. You can actually help them with that, can't you?
Absolutely. Absolutely. And, this what keeps our engineering, our design teams on the toe. We have a new challenge on the table every day, and that keeps us energized, that keeps us going. So, we are here to provide solutions where you can't find solutions on a standard catalog.
I find that most of the solutions these days are out of the box, right?
Yes.
Not in the standard catalog, which is why that 30% versus 70% probably. And you have a nice engineering team here as well. So anyone who calls in who might have a question about that, you have a team built around the ability to make something special for the folks out there, even when it comes to some of the private labels you might do and the relationships you're building on the OEM side to let them know, hey, in this partnership, we can help you there as well.
Yeah. So in fact, a lot of R&D centers, institutes who want very special tools for their research. So they partner with us, and it's sometimes, we make some very crazy tools. And as you said, 20 micron tools for some medical research and things like that. So, we get questions from aerospace industries, from medical industries, from new cell phone models, smartphones coming out. So it's always good to get these new challenges. And I'm so proud of the team, which kind of finds the solution and makes it happen.
Part of being a business owner, I think, is mind reading. And you just read my mind by telling me some of the areas that you work in as we walk through this hall of mirrors of Rollomatics and all this investment. Is you mentioned the aerospace world. You mentioned some of the cell phones and the digital world that's out there right now. And is that kind of your focus in this factory, in this expansion? Is that part of manufacturing?
So, with the more and more aerospace coming into India, you had machining for composite materials, for titanium, some even for ceramic. So, these are challenges that we get. And for smartphones, we get, aluminum and again, titanium. So stainless steel for that matter. So, you have micro machining and very tough materials. So to find a solution for that is phenomenal. It's even to look at how good the machining can be and how fast the machining can be with our tools. It's really impressive.
I couldn't agree more. And you may not know this about me. The audience may or may not know this about me, but I spent 10 years in the micro world. I know firsthand what a pain it can be to drill in for my American friends out there, 10 thou precision, right? 5 thou diameter in titanium. You don't even think you can do it, but you can with the right tools like CTC. But it can be frustrating. So if those of you out there are looking for that quality partner, I'm going to bring this full circle in just a minute, Vishal, which is I've done a lot of work in the smartphone world. I've helped make a lot of TVs out there, and I've worked in those micro diameters. And the companies that I've worked with, I know for a fact that they demand high quality, high quantity, and good prices all at the same time. And you have the ability to do that, to say, we're going to give you, obviously, high quality at a good price. And that's what people are looking for these days, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. So because we had so many Rollos and we can do this in volume, we can provide huge amount of technically advanced products, which saves cost on the customer side. But at the same time, we work on our productivity. We ensure that our costs are low and we provide the best value to the customer. So we are providing precision, we're providing quality, we're providing a solution which engulfs a great value add, because the prices are also for the product that you're getting, it's a good value.
Yeah, and I think that's one of the, if I can just take a moment to speak with you and speak with the audience. In the US, we have what's called the reshoring initiative right now. And we have the nearshoring initiative, which includes the US, includes Mexico. But we also have a lot of work right now going into India, a ton of work going into India. So I know you're seeing it a lot here. We're seeing it a lot in the US. And then combined with that, we have to make sure that when we're moving places, we keep the quality that's required. And a company like you, been around for 40 years, where your biggest partners are in Germany, Japan, and the US, your legacy speaks for itself. For anyone that's reaching out right now and going, this is the first time I've heard about CTC. And it's probably not. These guys are already famous. I already said 40 plus years. I already said the expansion. But let's pretend that somebody doesn't know. What kind of messages would you want to offer someone who's just learning about CTC, what you believe in, what your goals are, what you want to give to everyone who's out there? For first-time customers, existing customers, maybe partnerships even, as you look to the future of everything you're creating?
So if you're looking for a partner which gives you a holistic solution, from a 20 micron tool to a 32 millimeter round tool, doesn't matter what it is, whether it's a drill, an end mill, a form tool, an engraver, a router, a rotary burr, it doesn't matter. If you need a solution for your machining needs, we provide a 360-degree solution from design to the final products on your machine. So I think you have a partner in India which can provide you value, not just which is cost effective, but which is technologically advanced.
Technologically advanced is definitely the key here as I look around and see all these machines, and you guys are not shy about making the investment in the correct products. I mean, we really are talking about 52,000 square feet. We really are talking about more space for expansion. We really are talking about 49 machines over the last few months. But we've said this over and over again: precision, accuracy, the importance of advanced technology. Can we show them the room where you're actually measuring all these parts as well? I'd love to show them.
Yeah, absolutely. Let's do it. You can see a tool which is as tight in tolerance as plus minus 1 micron.
Well, we've made it into your measuring room, Vishal, and there's an American statement that we say all the time. It says, don't just talk about it, be about it. How many of you have heard that? Probably everyone. I know, kind of cliche, but you are very much being about the words, right? We can walk through, we can show the technology, we can say precision, we can say global leaders, we can say your trusted resource for private labeling, we can say trust us to bring us your complex work and give us those custom-made one-off projects. But without measuring it, you wouldn't really know, would you?
No, not at all. What's good a tool if you can make it but not measure it? So the real precision comes from knowing what tool you're supplying and what it measures. So even before it gets to the final inspection here, it goes through multiple stages of measurement through various other equipments which are from India, from Germany, from around the world. And they are very precise. They are very good on GR&R. And once we measure them, then we bring them here. That's the final stamp on saying this is a good product.
Yeah, and I think we need that final stamp. I mean, again, your machines are second to none. They're incredible. You've invested in the best technology. You've invested in the best people to go along with that. But just staying in this room, seeing everyone working diligently to make sure the product is good, I'm 100% sure people watching right now are going to want to know more. They're going to want to learn how they can work with you, either directly or on the OEM side, because everyone out there is looking for a reliable micro precision partner. I know I was for 10 years looking for that reliable one.
Yep.
So I guarantee you there's folks out there doing the same. How can we find out more about you? How can we get in touch to work with you and really just, get that meeting involved with you and go, I'm ready to work with CTC too?
Oh, you're most welcome. Please come. We need partners like you. If you want to know more about us, come visit us at Metalex, come visit us at Imtex in Bangalore, come visit us at Steel Fab in Sharjah. We are there at almost all the global exhibitions. Google us, go to our website www.ctcindiatools.com or write to us. So we'll be very happy to answer your questions, and we are looking for partners like you to come and work with us.
Absolutely perfect, my friend. Thank you so much for your time. For everyone watching, CTC, keep that name in mind. If you're looking for a great partner, Micro World, quality products here in India that's going to give you good prices with the quality. I mean, like I've already said, 52,000 square feet, 49 machines over the last few months. If just out that window is a continued expansion of what's happening in the next few years, this is the time to get on board. This is the time to do some research. And this young man just keeps getting younger. So he's ready to work with you as well.
Looking forward.